Israel says it will ban the international medical charity Doctors Without Borders, also known as MSF, from operating in Gaza after the organization refused to provide a list of its local staff. Israeli authorities say the request was made for security reasons, citing concerns about militant infiltration and the need to verify personnel working in conflict zones. MSF has rejected the demand, saying that sharing staff identities could put its employees at serious risk and undermine its ability to operate independently and safely. The organization says confidentiality is essential for humanitarian work, particularly in active war zones where aid workers may face retaliation. Doctors Without Borders has been providing medical assistance in Gaza for years, including emergency care, trauma treatment, and support for hospitals overwhelmed by ongoing fighting. Israel's decision comes as humanitarian conditions in Gaza continue to deteriorate, with severe shortages of medical supplies, electricity, and clean water. Aid agencies warn that limiting the presence of international medical organizations could further strain an already fragile healthcare system. Israeli officials say humanitarian groups must comply with security requirements in order to continue operations, emphasizing that the measures are not intended to restrict aid but to ensure safety. International humanitarian organizations and rights groups are closely watching the situation, warning that restrictions on medical charities could have serious consequences for civilians. There has been no immediate indication of whether negotiations between Israeli authorities and MSF could lead to a reversal of the decision. As fighting continues, the role of independent medical organizations remains critical for treating civilians caught in the conflict. This is a developing story,